Mandarin with Mavis. Have you ever looked at something or like, wow, that looks good, but didn't know how to express that in Mandarin Chinese? It's simple. Let's dive into these two common expressions, 看起来 looks, 听起来 sounds in this video. When you use the expression a verb plus 起来, it conveys the speaker's evaluation or judgment of the situation from the action of the verb. 看起来 看 means to see or to look, and when you use 看 plus 起来, it means it looks. 看起来 is usually followed by an adjective describing your evaluation of the situation. Let's try using this expression with a couple adjectives. 很好吃 delicious, 看起来很好吃 it looks delicious. 很好玩 fun, 看起来很好玩 it looks fun. Another common expression to state your evaluation is 听起来. 听 means to listen to or to hear, and when you use 听 plus 起来, it means it sounds. Similar to 看起来, 听起来 is usually followed by an adjective describing your evaluation of the situation. Let's try a couple adjectives with this expression. 很难 difficult, 听起来很难 it sounds difficult. 很冷 cold, 听起来很冷 it sounds cold. 很麻烦 troublesome, 听起来很麻烦 it sounds like a lot of trouble. 很有趣 interesting, 听起来很有趣 it sounds interesting. 你觉得那个怎么样 What do you think about that? 听起来很有趣 it sounds interesting. You can also use the expression a verb plus 起来 to express your evaluation of something in more situations. Here are 5 common usages. 吃起来 吃 means to eat or to taste. 吃起来很辣 很辣 means spicy. 吃起来很辣 it tastes spicy. 住起来住 means to live. 住起来 means your evaluation of the living condition. 这旅馆住起来很舒服 这 means this. 旅馆 means hotel. 很舒服 is comfortable. 这旅馆住起来很舒服 This hotel is comfortable to stay at. 喝起来喝 means to drink. 喝起来 is your evaluation of the drink. 这红酒喝起来很顺口这 means this. 红酒 means wine. 顺口 is smooth for a drink. 这红酒喝起来很顺口 This wine is smooth to drink. 闻起来闻 means to smell. 闻起来 means it smells. 这闻起来很香这 means this. 很香 means pleasant for a smell. 这闻起来很香 means it smells pleasant. 拿起来拿 means to pick up something by your hand. 拿起来 means your evaluation of this something that you're picking up. 这拿起来很重这 means this. 很重 means heavy. 这拿起来很重 This is heavy to be picked up or lifted. Are you now familiar with the expressions 看起来听起来 and verb plus 起来 Did you like the video? Subscribe for more Taiwanese Mandarin lessons. Bye, 下次见